Welcome back to In Conversation with Zoe. In our everyday conversations, we may notice that there is a thank you somewhere in it. Well, today I will be sharing with you some intelligent and alternative ways of appreciating someone or something when they've been nice or done something great for you. All right, let's get into it. So someone does something great or nice to you at work. You want to say thank you, but then you watch this video and you want to switch things up and stand out, look more intelligent and feel more confident. These are the words to say. So my first part will be the words to use in saying thank you, and then the B part will be the words to use in responding to someone's appreciation. Let's get to the first part, part A. So my word number one in saying thank you will be you're the best. It's very simple, isn't it? So someone does something good to you, nice for you, to say, oh, Kelvin, you're the best. That's it. Just drop it there. Don't feel the urge to go on and say you're the best. Thank you. Stop it there, okay? Hold it in. Now, the second word or sentence that you can switch up, that varies with thank you is you saying, I'm most grateful for, okay? So, a colleague of yours gets you coffee on her way to work or maybe on his way to work. You simply say, I'm most grateful for this cup of joe. Just leave it there. And the person gets the message that you've said, thank you. You have appreciated that person for the kind act being done to you or for you. Another way to say thank you to someone is these 4 words. What would I do without you? Okay, that's 5, but you get the message, don't you? What would I do without you? You've said thank you a million times in just one sentence. Okay, guys? All right. Word number 4 in how you can thank someone when they've been nice to you or done something good for you. You can say, that's very kind of you, Cherish. That's very thoughtful of you, Miriam, whatever their names are. You can just, say, that's very kind of you, or that's very thoughtful of you. All right, there you go. Those are 4 ways that you can say thank you to someone when they've done something good for you. You're the best. I'm most grateful. What would I do without you? And then my word number 5, by which you can thank someone when they've done something great or nice to you. You say, I owe you one. Okay? I owe you one. It's a 4 sentence word, very easy to say. In there, the person knows you have transmitted a thanksgiving, and also you have registered in your mind that you will be watching out for that person's good or that person's back. That's like a 2-in-1 message, which is great. So you go say, I owe you one to that person, that colleague, maybe your tutor, someone in the bus, on the train, on the street, and so on and so forth. So that's part A done. Those are 5 ways by which you can say thank you to someone without using the words thank you. There you go. Now for part B, how do you receive a Thanksgiving message? You simply say, oh, you're welcome. Don't mention this. Nah. I think, it just rolls off the tongue like really common and without any meaning further to that. So please scratch that and try these 5 alternatives I will be providing you with today. So my first, we like to say don't mention, but really deep down, we want people to mention our Thanksgiving appreciation when we've been nice to them or done something really cool for them. So don't mention used to be really cool and very a humble thing to say. It's like, oh, little me, don't mention eh. Well, guess what? Mention it, okay? Well, what you can do, what you can say if you want to get all humble and, divert attention from your good deed, you can say it was a team effort. I keep going back to the work scenario or the school scenario, community scenario. So you just say it was nothing. It was a team effort. So that's part A for you. It was nothing. Part B, you can say it was a team effort. All right. So in those two words, you said don't mention at the same time, and you have received the message of thanks from the person appreciating you. Okay. That is a first way, one way to respond to a Thanksgiving message or word. So now you want to scratch the whole don't mention bit and actually just really warm-heartedly receive a Thanksgiving message from someone. Well, you can say, I'm glad it was useful. Yes. You've accepted the appreciation message, but then you go further to appreciate the person appreciating you. Oh, that's a lot of appreciations in there. You just say, I'm glad it was useful. I'm glad you found it useful, and it makes it more really nice when you tap the person and you do, I'm glad it was useful. I'm just kidding. Anyways, so that's my second way by which you can receive a Thanksgiving appreciation. So word number 3, or the third alternative way by which you can receive an appreciation is this. You simply say, no worries. It's a two-word sentence. Very simple and very catchy. It actually registers in the person. You've actually also said don't mention at the same time as saying you're welcome. Imagine you're welcome and don't mention in one sentence. Well, that sentence isn't a two-word sentence. No worries. All right, so try that. It's very easy. You should fix this into your daily conversations. Are we good? All right, so another way by which you can say you're welcome or don't mention receiving a Thanksgiving message from someone you've been nice to is by saying, let me know if there's something else I can do for you. Let me know if there is anything else I can do to help. It's wordy, it's lengthy, but in an official situation, this would be the go-to one, okay? You don't want the Thanksgiving to get to your head. At the same time, you want the person to know that I heard your appreciation and I'm here for you. Let's say you're a customer service agent or officer. You just say, oh, let me know if there's something else I can do for you. Cheers. You see that? It rolls off the tongue really nicely and officially, okay? So there you go. I have told you about it was a team effort, especially when it's, within a community, maybe work, office, or school. You can say it was a team effort. You can say no worries. You can also say, let me know if there's something else I can do for you or anything else I can do for you. You can use the big one. I am glad it was useful. All right, and then another way to say to receive thank you from someone is the big old American hug. Yes, you don't even need to. You can use it to say thank you, and you can use it to receive thank you. All right, so those are 5 ways to say thank you, and also 5 ways or means by which you can receive an appreciation message. Thank you for watching this lecture. I will see you next time on In Conversation with Zoe. God bless you.